Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the greatest Dawanke from the northern part of Nigeria. So we'll be using all-purpose flour. Yes, this is normal flour that you use for your cake. I'll be using potash, also known as corn or akon. You just add water to the potash and ensure that it dissolves into the water. Then you have to sieve your all-purpose flour in order for it to be smooth and to remove any kind of dirt that is inside. After doing that, you mix the potash water into you pour some potash water into the all-purpose flour, then use your hand to mix together. You can use spoon, but I feel more comfortable using my hand. So you add as much as you want. Then after adding the potash water, you go in with warm water, not hot water, but warm water. Today's love goes to Abibat Omoumi. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I promise to keep giving you more recipes. Thank you very much. And guys, please do not forget to comment your location so that I can give you a shout out and I can know the places you are watching me from. Thank you. I think I'm okay with this consistency. You can see it's not too hard and it's not too soft. The next thing is to boil some water, then use your spoon to scoop in the danwake content. And the reason I put my spoon in water is for it not to stick with the danwake. If it sticks to it, it will be difficult to remove. After doing this, just give it a gentle stir and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Then our danwake is ready at this point. You can now put off the heat, strain it in a strainer, then pour the danwake in a cold water to stop the cooking process. You can see the texture, look at it, you can see that it's really done at this point, and we are ready to serve our danwake. You put it back in a strainer to strain the water and leave it for a while before serving. So I'm serving mine with soya spice. This is how it is served normally. It's either you use soya spice or you use grounded pepper and the seasoning cube. So then I go in with vegetable oil, then my egg and my cucumber with onions. You can serve it whatever way you want. This is really nice. You can give it a try. Thank you.